Today I've brought an amazing AI tool for you that can enhance the quality of your images for free. There are many tools available on the internet that claim to upscale or enhance your photos, but most of them are paid. Even if they offer a free trial, there's usually a watermark on the final image, which can be really frustrating. But the AI tool I'm going to share with you today is completely free, and guess what? No watermark. So before we jump into the video, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on awesome tech tools like this one. All right, let's get started. Now you need to visit the website. I've provided the link in the description below. Once you're on the site, go ahead and download the software by clicking the download button. I've already downloaded it, so I'll open it now. Once the software opens, you'll see an interface like this. Now go to the settings section and choose how much you want to scale your image, based on your requirements. Next, select the image you want to enhance, and then simply click on the Upscale button. And that's it. As you can see, your image quality has been significantly improved. This is how you can enhance your image quality absolutely free using this AI tool. So friends, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching.